Drawbot is powered by the UPIC microcontroller. Has 31 inputs and outputs. Not all of them are used. It's powered on two 9-volt batteries in parallel. Got the two stepper motors draw the most power, so I have a lot of filtering going on in here. The remainder of it goes to the sensors and the processor, and that is fully isolated from the noise of the stepper driver. The stepper driver chip is down on this little board here. I just use 2 H-bridge to accomplish that, using halves on both of them. This is just a simple encoder I use for selecting programs with 2 CDS cells for differential light, which I can also calibrate using this little guy. One of the programs in here, it shows me left, right, or center as far as aiming this for the center of light. And I can use it to seek light, seek darkness, and seek light helps this out on roam mode because light naturally is always brightest in open paths. It gets toward an area, side of something is darkness there, it'll turn away. And it's very compact, very efficient, easy, and it'll outperform my sonar radar stuff half the time. So I've been using that in a lot of my robots. It's very simple. It has 2 infrared seekers up here with 2 independent receivers. I can also change the frequencies of the emitters to make it more or less sensitive to see out with. So I use a dead on the same frequency as the receiver, and I got maximum range, and just to let it know it can guide around objects, but once it gets close it'll switch to us. It'll deliberately phase this off frequency to make it not so hard to pick things up, especially floors, cracks in the floor, and then I can really see the edge of the object and just pilot around it. That's about it, other than the stylus, which is a ballpoint pen that I cut in half to get it to fit in there. There is the micro servo right there. Get it focused. There we are. That little black cube there, it's off the shelf. Standard RS-232 programming port. And I think that's about it.